It's a truth that the bigger, the better, especially in friendship. Oh well, Dad has raised 2 iPad kiddos for sure. Wow, the trust they have for each other was so loud. When the child treats the other child well, it's a blessing. Seeing your bestie having a snack, as his buddy, you have to try for once.
Stop! 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 I said stop! Ow! Stop! Stop! He's hearing me.
Is that your puppy? Oh. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. First.
Let's get the game started and see who's the winner.
Kapı. Kapı küçük.
I love when they say step out of your comfort zone, but no one tells you to leave your comfort creature.
Look at you.
The one sharing your backseat is called BFF.
So cute.
You can tell they were raised right. We need them for our bright future.
Good girl.
Oh well, now things have become different, haven't it? He's mastered sublimation defense mechanism since the birth of your children. The best thing about being friended with little girls is that you have a spa at home buddy.
So cute.
If anyone asks, she was raised by the dog early in life. Mom wants to ground them, but unluckily, they're too cute to be fine for 2 minutes.
What are you doing?
Puppy.
You weigh so much more than her, silly.
He's licking me.
My baby.
As a future grown-up man, he knows who to protect.
Mine. No, just mine. My baby. My baby.
He's saying no.
It'd be better if two are looking, one will see and the other will double check.
Hey, what's the big deal?
No wonder she grows up strong because of her friend beside her always.
Not puppy. Not puppy.
Yeah, that her pup.
The size difference was so distinct that it pops up first time we see them. Hey little bean, I've waited for this for 9 months. Let's play. Nothing's better than a dog here and there to teach your toddler love. She's chosen him as her BFF since this day. He looks like the mediator that we didn't think we needed. The best childhood has an image of a big-sized dog.
Yeah. But yeah. Yes.
It takes a director for them to become a romantic movie. This duo's practiced since birth to deliver this performance for us all. Parents should know that anything your dog does, your toddler will naturally imitate.
There we go.
That's my water bottle. Oh.
You okay, mate? Yeah?
When with your comfort person, everything feels so light and bright.
Thank you, Christmas. Oh.
Good boy, Rex. Buddy, do you like playing with Rexy boy? Oh, careful. Careful. One thing that doesn't need proofs to believe is the friendship of theirs.
Inside the big body, there's a little heart needing to be nurtured. This is an absolute beauty to see them bonding like they've known each other for a long time. Get your toddler a dog and you won't regret it. This is proof.
Tatum, why are you in there?
Oh well, Mum and Dad should buy a bigger one if this is the case.
Hey, are you scared of a Caitlin?
Come here, Paula. Come on.
You guys are cute. Okay, done with the picture. You can get down?
Let me introduce you to the greatest protector of all time, a dog and his little child friend.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he looks so cute, buddy.
Get them my asses.
She put glasses on him.
Look at him.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. That's how it lasts. Days like these are just golden. Turns out to be the best choice ever made. When love's expressed through good food, it's called to be loved to be known. The fastest way to sweep away all your work pressure is right here, in your house. Sticking around like a true god, she was lucky enough to have him. We all know that they'll grow old together, like an eternal friendship that we long for.
Good boy. Good. Down. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
How it looks like inviting your bestie home and introducing him to your family.
Sudah coba ada makarnya? Hati daw ako.
Did you say it? It sounds so funny.
Yes, we all agree that this is the best part of having a big-sized dog in the house.
I love you.
It was actually a love song composed just 2 minutes ago.
If somebody wants you and they get you, I'm going to miss you.
Don't feed the dog. Layla, it's not good for the doggy. Layla. No, it's for Layla. Put it in Layla's mouth. Your mouth. Good girl.
When you know you not only have a bodyguard, but also a nanny all in one.
Hey.
Try to get her.
Stop.
Look, he's watching you. He's watching you.
Hey. Кичи. Кичи. Лаш, кичи.
Carinho, primo. Carinho, primo. Sabe somebody? Huh? Carinho, primo. Steffi.
The instant matching energy tells a lot about their future. Afraid that his appearance can scare the child. Oh, he makes my heart melt. Not a parent yet, but your dog knows how to take care of the child.
Yeah, he's bad.
He's sad now, Millie.
He's sad.
Nice now. There you go, you're coming this way. Grip Grip, see look, Grip Grip's showing you how to do it. Look at him. Do what Grip Grip's doing. Yeah, you gotta do what Grip Grip's doing. He's trying to show you,
The future little queen with her close guard.
Go on then.
Bye-bye. You give Bubba hugs? Good boy, Bubba. Yeah, Bubba.
One of the actions when you let your child play with dogs for a long time.
He wants to go up and up. Tell him then, say up then.
Why does the dog Loki look like a dad having a girl's make-believe game?
Hey!
Look.
Thanks for watching along, guys. See you again in the next fun videos.
Tell him to move. All right, here you go. Now I gotta check me.